abapolipo abazini kuruga buli kasonda I'm told you about MCs inywena mwiji
abanyabusembo inywena
mugendo
leka kiona ngukiri kya abanyabusembo buli munyakisembo wenda ija osebere heihan bano ba comedians runa abanyamatemba bano bagangiriza emikoro n'abandi mwiji
aroyo sikadomora abakwita bakwasengana mu ngaro MC Donna MC Arthur mwiji bojo Capital FM.
Okay, twasimbure abakuru ba madini nyikiriza zona abebembezi abazini kuruga buli kasonda, the business communities n'abantu inywena amabara niraka libanyeta Mutabazi George Akiki Matiansi, the delegate chairperson Greater Rwenzori Musicians Association. Greater Rwenzori Musicians Association, we subscribe to Uganda National Musicians Federation. We condole with the Greater Rwenzori Musicians Association in Gabuza Toro for the passing of the award-winning musician Chigambo Moses Arali. Arali has been very instrumental in the foundation of Toro music, and his death is a big blow to the region and the country. As the Federation, and on behalf of Greater Rwenzori Musicians Association, we contribute 500,000. May his soul rest in peace. Byasengibwa Eddie Kenzo, the President, Uganda National Musicians Federation, and Senior Presidential Advisor on Creatives. Sente zinu tuzina. Kandi tuge instruction sente zinu tuzikwasa abantu. Aturu Rubazo kuruga mu Greater Rwenzori Musicians Association. Greater Rwenzori Musicians Association Limited, in bracket GREMA, we extend our condolence to the bereaved family of the late legendary musician Chigambo Moses Arali. Arali has been a great inspiration to the music industry of Rwenzori, Western Uganda, and Uganda at large. All musicians within the region are comforting the children and encouraging them to continue with their father's legacy in all their respective areas of life. Be strong, and His Almighty God protect you. Musicians in Greater Rwenzori Musicians Association, we have contributed 400,000. May Chigambo Moses Arali rest in peace. Sente zinu nazo tutungira direction kuruga bazini mutuzikwasa abantu. Hatsa zinu twine emitwaro 9 mu sente za Uganda. So abana Bridget and the team tikumanya mwikirizo kutira hai detu bakwasi sente zinu leka tuje tubasaba
sobora kutambura mpora n'omuntu ndi omulundi babiri wikeho sente zo muziba kwasi
wote mu
yego
omugurusi anzurende haba abaziriye cyange tutungire okutazibwa mu mutima n'okutwekwa amatukenguzi obukakisemerire itwitwere tugenda kuteza amacho abo kusaba abantu banwane bakigamba Arali ekiganyiro amakuru gatukire batweta bayaye batweta ntagangali habo kuba twere tekaniza kugaragara fotopoto mutawuni nyowe kale mukagamba na pulinga wa atha ichapuli au twere ita numutera kaituro hamrango kwa mgenzi wanyu nyowe boti kango kansengerwa omuisanzo munyamirwa ninteza amacho nzikule tata rulino kituro kyanyamakere ekyo tukimanyire Arali kimanyire ekyo tutukimanyire kandi hakiri ensonga eno ninsaba kubamalisa nti Pastor Ogola n'onya twesera abayaye Pastor Ogola wakimaliza abokuwa rundi oganyire kwena amagani maingi tukuganyire tukimanya rundi tukakusomoka hagokuba iduna tuganyire hamunebyo arali ahumule usinge
Mondo wale mondemo abazini gondezi kihai kurungi abandi tukileta sobra kihai kurungi kabosha wa kasingiro. That is the reason na waki tumwikiliza kihai kurungi. Now the TikTokers yenda kuwa hao edekika tuenda kuwa hao dakika mtaito mudo. TikTokers musigaleho bagambire nenye mwine mugambo wadu mkwenda kutekaho. Ba TikTokers mwamure speed wao.
Entonces,